Hi guys, first hit this cargo net for ribbon purposes. It's for pickups and it has 6 metal carabiners. So let's open it. It's quite nice. Okay, leave it here. In this box we have the carabiners. As you can see, there are 6 black metal carabiners. Okay, they're quite nice. This is the cargo net. Okay, it has its own clips, even depending of what you need. Okay, and you can place them in your truck like this. Okay, as you can see, it's quite stretchy. You can just place them wherever you need. It's really nice for transportation. Anything you need in the box of your pickup, which is really nice. As I've said, it's very stretchy. And it's perfect for travels, for if you wanna move some boxes with you. It's really nice. All the material feels of a very high quality, which is something perfect. And it's really nice. I like that it comes with the carabiners because it makes them easier to attach in other situations, and they are really well made. So we'll recommend them. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.